am Andy, the hand, and welcome to Draw with Andy. What are we gonna draw today? How about a unicorn? Yay! I love him. So let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, we have to take a pencil and draw the outline of the body. Make sure you draw it lightly, okay? And that's done. Good job! You did it. Now it's time for the face. So we're gonna draw another oval. There we go. Good job again. And it's time for the horn. So we make a base and then a triangle. Woohoo! Alrighty, now it's time for the ear. There we go. I think that's good enough. And we finish off with some lines. Okay, now it's time to float the hair. Yes. Don't worry if you make mistakes, okay? Everyone does. I'm not an artist either, but I want to be one. So, if you make mistakes, just grab the eraser and erase it. That's why we're drawing it with pencil. Smart, huh? Also keep in mind that we're going to outline this with a pen later. So, this is the time for you to make all the mistakes, because we can erase it. Okay, so what next? Let's draw the eye, and nose, and a mouth, and eyelashes. Yay! Now it's time for the legs. So, I'm just gonna draw 4 tiny legs, okay? Because it's kind of cute. And done! Now we're gonna draw some lines for the hooves. Look, they're so cute! And now the last part is the tail. This is my favorite because they're so cute and I love drawing them. 2, 3, and let's add another one. 4. Woohoo! You guys did it! Good job! Look how cute this is! But it's not the final one yet, so we're gonna take a pen and do the outline. I'll just fast forward it so it won't be that boring, but keep an eye out for the lines that you don't trace with the pen, okay? Like this line between the legs, okay? Because they're technically not visible, so we don't have to trace them. Okay, let's finish up all the lines, okay? I'm a unicorn in this universe. Ignore my singing, okay? I just make up songs sometimes because I like them. And we're almost done. Now here comes my favorite eraser. We're gonna erase the pencil lines. Ta-da! We did it! Good job! Oh my god, it's time to color. So obviously I'm going to take pink first because it's my favorite color, and we're going to color it. You can choose any color you want because unicorns are all about colorful things, so just make it as colorful as you want. And I'm gonna color the hooves pink just to make it cute. And again, you can use any color you want. Okay, there we go. Now it's time for yellow. So another useful tip I'd like to give is first draw the outline in the color, okay? Like this, and then fill it up. So it'll be easier. Okay, now finishing this up and going with blue. Woohoo! Actually, blue is also my favorite color. I mean, all the colors are my favorite. Because I love unicorn and they're so colorful. Purple. And we are done, guys. We did it. Ah, look at it. It's so cute, isn't it? Will you be my pet unicorn? I guess not. But hey, good job. Ta-da! So beautiful. You guys did great. And you're all amazing. Now, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.